Question 2. And before I start question 2, I want you to look at this little star before the 2, the asterisk. What that actually means is that the examiners want to check the quality of your written communication for this question. So QWC, quality of written communication. You should know that you're looking to put that into the question if you see a little asterisk before the number before the question. So examiner is going to check our quality of written communication, so we've got to be careful at the end that we make sure that we clearly indicate that we've answered the question. So the diagram shows 2 fish tanks, each in the shape of a cuboid. So there's a fish tank A and a fish tank B. Finley fills both fish tanks with water. Which fish tank holds the most water? So again, make reference to that. So we've got to actually identify which one holds more water out of the 2 fish tanks. You must show all your calculations. So here we go. We'll work out the volume of each fish tank, because if we know what the volume of each fish tank is, we'll know how much water each one of those cuboids or fish tanks could hold. So here we go. Easiest way, always start with the front face. I know that face is shaded and you could use that as a cross section, but always the easiest way is to take the front face that you can see. So this front face, 35 by 95, times those together, I get the area of the cross section. So 35 times 95 equals, just put the calculation here, 35 times 95 equals 3,325. Always do all your working out. Even if you keep in the calculator, just put it down, because you must show all your working out. So we've got the area of the cross section. We times it by the length now. So we times that answer we got there for the cross section by the length of the shape, which is 30. And we get an answer of 99,750. We know all units are in centimetres, so it's going to be centimetres cubed. We've just worked out the volume of fish tank A. Fish tank B is still a cuboid, so we're going to take the area of the cross section, which is the front face. We know that's 65. Now, on purpose, they've not given us this height here, and we need that to work out the area of the cross section. But if we look here, 45 is a height there, so it's a cuboid, so that height there is going to be exactly the same as that, so we know this is 45. So to work out the area of the cross section, I do 65 times 45. 65 times 45 gives me 2,925, times it by the length there, so I've got 2,925, going to times that by 35, and get an answer of 102,375. All units again in centimetres on that cuboid, so I know it's going to be centimetres cubed. Now when I've got my 2 answers, this is the volume of A, this is the volume of B, that's B, that's A. Clearly I can see that fish tank B will hold more water, because if the volume's bigger, it's got more space to allow water to fill up. So here we go. So we can answer this question by saying, which fish tank holds the most water? Clearly it's fish tank B. I've done all my working out, but it's not as simple as that, because it said it wants to see the quality of my written communication. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go a bit further. I'm going to take the answer here, the bigger volume. I'm going to take away the volume of fish tank A. So I'm going to go minus 99,750. Press equals, and this is the answer I get. So I'm going to put that answer here so you can all see it. I get 2625 centimetre cubed. So what I'm going to say, I would pick, or I would inform that fish tank B holds more water, and it holds 2,625 centimetre cubes worth of water. But we've got to make reference to units now. Now, because you're filling it with water, water is going to be in millilitres or litres. Now, this is in centimetres cubed, so I've got to convert this to millilitres or litres. So I'm going to show you a quick conversion down here. Remember this, 1 centimetre cubed equals 1 millilitre. 1,000 centimetres cubed equals 1 litre. Now remember this, so really 1 centimetre cubed equals 1 millilitre, so really I can just convert this straight away. If 1 centimetre cubed equals 1 millilitre, I know that 2,625 centimetres cubed is going to be 2,625 millilitres. What do we know about millilitres? I'll write it down here. 1,000 millilitres equals 1 litre. So what I can do, if I divide this by 1,000, the answer up here, because it's in millilitres now, so 2625 divided by 1,000, again, use your calculator, no problem, SD button if required, I get 2.625 litres. So what I can do, when I want to show the quality of my written communication, I can actually put that fish tank B holds 2.625 litres more than fish tank A, and that's it. So I've actually clearly indicated which fish tank holds the most water, fish tank B, and it holds 2.625 litres more. I've converted the whole volumes into litres because it's water that I'm dealing with.